Hello guys, so this is my productive day routine, and first of all I just planned it out, like how I will go about it. And I started with modern history, and for modern history I just started counting the pages, and was looking at how many pages I have to do, and how much time I have to complete it. So that is really helpful to me. So yeah, history. So yeah guys, I was done with history and I started with another subject, that is geography, and I studied for around 1.5 hours to be precise. And I use an application to track down my study pattern and study data so that I will be on track. And yeah, I keep changing my subjects so that I can keep track on my study and I don't fall asleep. As I was studying geography, so little Google is really essential for map searching and everything else. So I turn on my lap. Don't worry guys, this is not earthquake. This video is shaking really. This was my morning productive time. Hope you liked the video, and if you really liked it, do subscribe, like and comment to my channel. Till then, see ya.